It blows cold air only?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a no heat call, right?
Yeah, something like that.
And you replace the filter? Oh yeah. Yeah, it needs a new draft motor. Need a new draft motor. This one. See how it sounds? You hear that?
Yeah, it looks like rubber or something.
Yeah.
Turn it off, see if,
No, I can do it from here. Not very much room to work right here. Yeah, that's clearly the problem. It'll still run, but then next time it won't turn on its own. So we have to replace the inducer draft motor. This was an easy diagnostic, but when we get the inducer draft motor and get it installed, customer agreed to the price, so we're gonna go to Goodman now and get the part. Ah, great. Started raining, but looks like it might be clearing up hopefully soon. Ay, caramba. All right. Just look at this beautiful weather that we're having. Huh? That side looks like a storm is a brewing. This side looks beautiful. So we're back here with our inducer draft motor. Hoping to be able to do this before it starts raining again. Got a little window of sunshine. We got an umbrella and I got my jacket on just in case. Alright, first things first. Gotta disconnect power. Oh, great. I like how they secured that to the unit. And then I have to disconnect this drain because it's in our way. There's a little clip in there holding the hose. So now we got the covers disconnected. We had to disconnect the drain, the gas, just to get access to this. There's our new gasket. Time to test this sucker. We have ignition. Yeah, I know it was an easy one, but I didn't want to waste the footage. Look at that, we're getting hail. How cool. Haven't had hail in a long time. It's another nice climb. Look at that, another Goodman. What? Another Goodman. Oh, this is a view from up here. My next call canceled, so I'll be able to take my time here. So the complaint here again, this one is no heat. They think it's, the lady thinks it's the pilot. She thinks it has a standing pilot, but you don't correct your customers when they do say stuff like that. At least I don't. Not right away. I just tell them what's wrong with it. If they ask me if it has a standing pilot or whatever, then I'll tell them nope, it does not. Otherwise, why am I gonna be correcting my customer because they're talking about something that is not their job? That sounds rude. Okay, so here we have pretty much, that's pretty much the same as Mana, same model. Okay, same inducer, you see that? Everything the same drain. Yeah, it's another draft motor that went bad. I could tell. Just do the test. Hopefully they have another one. I should have just picked up two. So first we're gonna turn on the heat, see what happens. Yeah, just what I thought. Another bad draft motor. Okay, so here's something else that I like to do with customers when the unit is on the roof and I know they're never going to come up here, is I like to show them the part that I'm going to replace. So I'll take a picture of the part that I'm going to replace, and that way when I replace it I can show them the new part that got replaced with the new picture, and also take a picture of the model number and serial number for my customer and for myself in case I ever have to come back. What I also like to do is take pictures of the unit. Ooh, there's a lot of water here. Just for future reference, any questions or something the customer might have that I won't remember, as I often don't. It's a good idea to have that. So, all right, so customer said yes. I will now go and pick up another motor. Oh, let me show you the height from here. Nice, huh?
So how often does that piece of equipment break or malfunction?
Maybe once.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's funny because I just got done replacing the exact same one
Really?
in my last call. The exact same one.
How long ago? Because it's the unit isn't. Well, it's got several years on it by now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. No problem.
I gotta go. It's near Glen. It's on San Fernando Road.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
fortunately, right now there's not a lot of people on the road, so I should be able to get there pretty
Okay.
quick and come back
Okay.
and get her some heat tonight.
Please.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
No
And
problem.
then you have to give me, after we're done and everything, you have to give me some business cards.
Oh, yes.
Of the association.
Oh,
And I will
great.
highly recommend you.
Oh, I'd appreciate that very much. Thank you. Oh, yes. That's what I like to hear. Well, this repair better come out good then. Thank you. You're welcome. All right, so customer gave us the green light. We're gonna go and pick up that draft motor. So here at the Goodman store. So there it is. Take two. All right, guys. So this is my setup. Okay. Whenever I wanna look at my map, and I also want my Spotify on, I split screen, throws my map up there. See, there's my map. And then I open up my Spotify. There it is down there. I can put it down there. I can push play from here. And then I got my map up there. Right on. Made it back. Oh, look at that. I even got some trees with me. So I tied that to my bag. And then I threw the bag over me. But you see all this green? It's because on the way up, they need to trim those trees. Those trees get in the way. But back to business. Enough fun. Looks like it might rain again. I don't know if it looks dark enough on the video, but it's pretty dark. I had my gloves on because I thought I was going to go inside the house. Because right now we don't know who, right? With the coronavirus deal. We don't know who has it or what. They said to assume everybody has it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm assuming. Oh, wrong side. There we go. And I hand tightened it with the gloves, I guess. And I couldn't I couldn't loosen it with my bare hands. So I guess the gloves help a little. Okay, so this one's the same deal as the other. Oh, it's okay. I was gonna cut that off anyway. So just check the hose, see if it feels brittle or if it has any cracks on it. All right, it's time to do the test. All right, moment of truth. Happy days. And we beat the rain. Oh, it looks like it's raining over there. Can you see? You can see the rain falling way over there.